Hey guys, good Sunday morning to you. Actually, it's afternoon now. That's Evie in the background crying. We just went for our walk at one of our favorite spots. And we're coming to the paved end of J Street where it turns into a dirt road. And I'm just letting this truck go by because I go very slow down these roads so I don't miss a thing. And plus, it cuts down on the dust fog, if you will. So we're going down this first hill here. Down at the bottom here, it always gets washed out when we get real hard rains. I got about 3 inches a few nights ago. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to ruin the job that they did fixing it last time. We've had some decent weather lately. The cold front that came through with the rain dropped our temperatures about 10 degrees during the day. We're getting cool nights, 50s and 60s, but during the day it's been in the 80s, which is very welcome by me, since the heat just does not go with me very good. So rounding the curve here, and then down here below, I'd open my window, but it'd be very noisy from the stones. But anyway, it's a big gully here. Howler, if you will. And right straight down there, we should be able to see a black horse. Maybe not. There it is. Evie, quiet. Zoom in on him. Come on, you guys. Now I'm trying to make a video. Can't really see him. There's too many leaves on the trees and bushes still. So we'll just get back on the road. Stop it now. Evie thinks every time you stop, you're gonna get out and go for a walk. So she starts carrying on with her crying and whining. And then Daisy has to start barking, and it's oh so noisy. I like to have quiet nature rides. So I keep on the move for the most part. Now up here on the left, we're coming to a spot that has a natural spring, so there's always water there no matter what the drought situation is. And we are in a drought here in northwest Arkansas. We need more rain. We're supposed to get some around Wednesday, but it's not going to be enough to take care of the situation here. So yep, right there, it's a natural spring. Back on the road again. Try to get my steering wheel out of the picture, but let's see if this creek's running. Yep, this is Shoemaker Creek. This is named after Jack, from Jack's Ranch, where Paradise is, where my brother-in-law lives. She got some water in her. Not much, but some. So, whoops, I got somebody behind me. He's probably mad. Sorry about that, dude. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. It's the weekend, and there's always people around on the weekends. Weekdays are better if you want to be by yourself. Now up there used to be a mobile home up there. They took it out, but they left this airplane windmill Could use a paint job, but as you can see, it still works. And that's where I'm going to end it. Alright, Evie says goodbye. See ya!